In the bustling streets of Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, amid the cacophony of everyday life, lived a young woman named Nidhi Prajapati. Raised in the embrace of her loving parents, Nidhi knew the true essence of family unity. But their humble abode echoed with the strains of financial hardships, painting a stark reality that mirrored the struggles of countless families across the nation. As the first graduate in her family, she bore the weight of their expectations and aspirations, determined to light the way for those who would follow.
मेरा नाम निधि प्रजापति है। मैं नैनी प्रयागराज से हूँ। मैंने NSTI इलाहाबाद में मैंने CTS 2017-18 में किया। इसके बाद मैंने CITS का कोर्स किया। 2021 में मैंने अपने संस्थान का उद्घाटन बबीता मैम के द्वारा करवाया।
Her journey into academia began with a degree in zoology, a path chosen not out of passion but out of familial obligation. However, destiny had some other plans for Nidhi. Her heart yearned for the art of dressmaking, a craft that whispered to her soul and ignited a fire within her. Guided by the encouragement of her cousin and the sage advice of her UG professor Mrs. Viva Sharma, Nidhi embarked on a transformative journey at NSTI in Prayagraj. With each stitch, she unraveled the tapestry of her dreams, weaving together threads of passion and determination to craft a future of her own design. Nidhi's childhood was woven with threads of struggle and perseverance. Yet beneath the layers of adversity lay the seeds of her remarkable journey. Nidhi Prajapati's path to NSTI was marked by unexpected twists and turns, demonstrating her resilience and determination. Initially, she applied online and later on went in person to fill out an offline form. Unaware that she was being interviewed, despite this, her genuine enthusiasm shone through and she was selected based on her willingness to join the course.
इलाहाबाद NSTI में जब मैंने एडमिशन लिया फर्स्ट डे मेरे से पूछा कि तुम अपनी मर्जी से ये कोर्स कर रहे हो, किसी का कोई प्रेशर तो नहीं है, कोई दबाव तो नहीं है, क्योंकि अक्सर क्या करते हैं पेरेंट्स ज़बरदस्ती बच्चों का एडमिशन करा देते हैं। उनको इंटरेस्ट नहीं रहता ज़बरदस्ती, तो बच्चा कर तो लेता है लेकिन वो इतना जितना वो दिल से अगर कोई चीज़ उसको फेल होता है कि हाँ मुझे ये चीज़ करना है तभी बच्चा आगे निकल पाता। तो मैम ने ये चीज़ पूछा तो मैंने बोला नहीं मैम, मैं अपने से मुझे ये चीज़ पसंद है इसलिए मैं एडमिशन ले रही हूँ। फर्स्ट डे मेरा 1 अगस्त को था, तो हम लोग आए क्लास में। इंट्रोडक्शन भी मुझे देना ठीक से नहीं आता था क्योंकि इतना अच्छी मेरी स्किल डेवलप नहीं थी जितना NSTI में आने के बाद मेरी स्किल डेवलप हुई। मेरे को इंट्रोडक्शन भी देना ठीक से नहीं आता, तो मैंने ऐसे इंट्रोडक्शन में कुछ बोल दिया, बच्चे मेरा मजाक बना लिए। उस समय मुझे बुरा लगा क्योंकि मैं हंसती नहीं थी, मैं अकेली रहना पसंद करती थी और पीछे बैठती थी मैं कि और मैम जो भी बोलते थे मैं उसको सुनती थी। अगर आप सुन रहे हो ना तो आप एक दिन बहुत आगे जाओगे।
However, a hurdle emerged when she learned that admission required her parents' presence, an impossibility for her. In a stroke of kindness and solidarity, her parents' father stepped in, claiming to be her parent, ensuring Nidhi's admission. This episode underscores Nidhi's courage and the support she found in her community. From the moment she stepped foot into the institute, she was met with unfamiliar faces and daunting obstacles. Yet, she embraced each challenge with grace and fortitude. Under the tutelage of her instructors, particularly the revered Babita ma'am, Nidhi blossomed into a skilled artisan, her fingers dancing across fabrics with the precision of a maestro. But her education extended far beyond the confines of the classroom. Babita ma'am's wisdom and guidance instilled in Nidhi a sense of purpose and direction, transforming her not only as a professional but also as a person. Days turned into months and months into years. as Nidhi labored tirelessly to master her craft. Balancing her studies with part-time work, she toiled from dawn till dusk, her hands never idle, her determination unwavering. Through hardship and adversity, she emerged stronger, her resolve unshakable, her spirit indomitable. Upon completing her course at NSTI, Nidhi embarked on a new chapter in her life. Armed with the skills and knowledge acquired along her journey.
निधि प्रजापति 2017-18 की स्टूडेंट थी, बहुत ब्राइट स्टूडेंट है। 8 मार्च 2021 वुमेंस डे वाले दिन निधि ने अपनी बुटीक का इनॉग्रेशन किया। ये आज के समय की मांग है कि हमें रोजगार लेना नहीं है, देना है। उस हिसाब से हम यहाँ पर एनएसटीआई इलाहाबाद में बच्चों को तैयार करते हैं कि वो यहाँ से इतना अच्छा सीख कर निकलें कि वो लोगों को रोजगार दे सकें, जिसका बहुत बड़ा उदाहरण निधि प्रजापति है।
After completing her course at NSTI, Nidhi Prajapati's life took a remarkable turn. Not only did she flourish personally and professionally, but she also became a beacon of hope for her family. With unwavering determination, she ventured into the world of entrepreneurship, opening her own boutique, Nidhi Fashion Boutique, in 2021. Nidhi additionally credited Babita Ma'am, NSTI instructor, for her achievements. With determination fueled by her newfound skills, Nidhi transformed their humble mud house into a sturdy home, partly with support from the PM Housing Fund. Through hard work and dedication, Nidhi managed to secure a stable income, enabling her to fulfill her responsibility, she joyfully recalls.
फिर मेरा आना जाना, फिर यहाँ पे जो खर्चे थे वो मेरी दीदी थी, वो उनको सिलाई का काम आता था, तो वो सिलाई करके फिर वो मुझे यहाँ तक पहुँचाया। और मैं भी करती थी सिलाई, दीदी को आता था तो दीदी से थोड़ा थोड़ा था मैंने भी सीख लिया। फिर मैम का सहयोग मिला तो मैंने और एडवांस में सीखा। बेसिक चीज़ें तो सबको मतलब थोड़ा बहुत पता रहता है, लेकिन एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप होता है कि कैसे क्या चीज़ करना है, वो चीज़ सबको नहीं पता होती। लेकिन वो चीज़ मुझे यहाँ NSTI में आने के बाद मुझे पता चली। जो फिनिशिंग है, जो बारीकियां हैं, वो मेरे अंदर यहाँ पे आने के बाद मुझे पता चला।
Today, Nidhi's boutique stands as a testament to her unwavering spirit and unyielding perseverance. Through her dedication and hard work, she has not only transformed her own life but has also become a beacon of hope for those around her. At present, Nidhi's boutique, manned by a team of 7 women, serves as a sanctuary of creativity and empowerment, inspiring others to chase their dreams and defy the odds. But Nidhi's journey doesn't end here. With her sights set on the horizon, she dreams of building her own clothing brand. And as she looks back on her journey from the depths of poverty to the pinnacle of success, she knows that the greatest reward lies not in the destination but in the journey itself. From witnessing her father's battle with illness to observing her mother's unwavering strength, Nidhi understands the value of resilience and perseverance. Her journey exemplifies the power of determination to overcome adversity and create a brighter future for oneself and loved ones. As she continues to pursue her dreams, Nidhi remained committed to uplifting others and spreading the message that no obstacle is insurmountable with the right mindset and determination.
बहुत कठिनाइयाँ रही हैं और इसका सबसे ज़्यादा श्रेय मेरी माँ है, मेरी बहनें हैं, जिन्होंने मुझे इतना सपोर्ट किया आगे लाइफ में बढ़ने के लिए। अब मैं अपनी मम्मी के सपने को सच करने का मुझे एक रास्ता मिल गया है कि जितने उनके सपने अधूरे थे अब मैं उनको जाके पूरा कर सकूं। मुझे वो रास्ता इलाहाबाद NSTI से मिला है। और जिस बच्चों को सुई में धागा डालना नहीं आता, कुछ काम नहीं आता, मैम ने वहाँ से स्टार्ट किया और यहाँ तक मुझे पहुँचाया।
For Nidhi Prajapati, the journey is far from over. With each stitch, she continues to weave the fabric of her dreams, inspiring others to chase their passions and pursue their goals with unwavering determination.